So first we're going to start the laundry up just like we normally would. Everything works. It still spins, the spin cycle and everything. So we're going to get a little soap to put in. Put a little bit of OxyClean in there. See if we can't get that baseball uniform clean. And I've been pre-soaking, like I normally do, even when the agitator was working, his white jersey, because white seems like it doesn't clean out real well. In we go. I'll get that filling up. We'll let it fill up, and then we'll start manual agitation. Yeah, can I borrow that plunger? Oh, you're using it. Well, that'll work. Here. Now, for the record, this is a brand new plunger. I don't recommend using a used plunger for obvious reasons. It's finished loading up the water. Now, if I close the lid, as you'll hear it's belt spinning. That agitator is not moving, it's shaking a little bit, but we're going to see how this works. Now I read someplace that this kind of simulates what the auger does in there in pulling the clothes around. I don't know how long you're supposed to do it necessarily, but I suppose you could do it with your own hands. But that seems like it would be a lot more work. And I read that you could do it in a bucket. Not that you could do it in the wash, but as long as the rest of the washing machine works and it's just that agitator that's not working, we might as well. Wait, so using this plunger, because there's nothing clean like a plunger. It's plunge clean, it's clean. Finished, and it drained out the water, so I think we got stuff pretty clean. We're going to let it do its spin and rinsing, and then see how the clothes look. Washing machine has stopped. Let's see how stuff looks. Do we have clean pants? We had a spot in the back, looks pretty white. We had dirty knees, looks pretty white. Well, it's at least as clean as it normally would. So if you need to wash a load of clothes quick and your washing machine, the agitator, isn't working, you can always use a plunger, and that should do the trick.